Look out the window, Ed. We're entering the cold.
It's like a blue desert.
Of water and ice.
And falling snow.
Take a look at the screen here, Ed. Each flake has its own pattern. Kind of like human fingerprints.
Wow! So, Eppa, what creatures can survive out here?
You'd be amazed.
Are we close to seeing it yet?
Excellent timing, Ed.
What is it?
If a flake of snow is small, this creature is huge.
Well, it's not an elephant.
Not quite. Let's take a closer look.
Oh, look at that!
Allow me to introduce you, Ed. This is the humpback whale, one of the largest mammals on Earth.
A mammal? I thought mammals lived on land and breathed there.
The whale breathes air, but it lives and swims in the ocean.
Unbelievable! Look at the size of its tail.
Each one unique, just like a snowflake.
Oh, I can't imagine being that big.
They have many layers of fat to keep them warm in the chill.
Oh, gives me goosebumps just thinking about it. They look like huge ships hovering in space.
12 to 16 meters long, Ed, and weighing 36 tons.
Did you say tons?
Awe-inspiring, isn't it? They can also travel up to 25,000 kilometers a year.
Why so far?
They come to the cold waters in summer to feed and stock up on reserves. Then they migrate.
As in travel, right?
Right. They migrate to the warmer tropical waters in winter to breed and give birth. In fact, that's where this whale's headed right now.
It'll take a while to get there.
What's time to a whale with the whole ocean to explore?
Yes, they seem to have all the time in the world. Bouncing bananas. Now I'm really excited.
Ed, you're a fan of music.
Music's my soul food.
Well, did you know male humpbacks can sing the most beautiful melodies?
Is that right?
They make the sounds with air. Whale songs, travelling for miles underwater.
What's that spray?
It's called a blow or spout, which is how they breathe.
Through a hole in their head?
Yes, they blow out, clearing away any water and then breathe fresh air in again.
Amazing! I still can't get over their size.
And this one is a baby.
Really?
A mere 700 kilograms.
700?
Hello there.
He's cute.
He'll spend the first 6 months with his mum. Then he'll begin exploring a bit. By the time he's 1, he'll be ready to venture off on his own.
Wow, spot the difference in size.
Now, Ed, humpbacks are a protected species.
Meaning?
No one can hunt them.
But they're so big.
And still vulnerable to humans. There used to be about 125,000 humpbacks. Today, there may be as few as 30,000 left, all because of whaling.
Is whaling like hunting?
Yes, so it's important to remember...
What the? Where'd all the bubbles come from?
The whales, of course. They're bubbling.
What does that mean?
They surround fish with a whole lot of bubbles, then swim up and catch them in one giant mouthful.
It must take a lot of fish to keep them going.
Plus, they only eat during the summer, storing up for the winter when they don't eat anything at all.
I must say, Eppa, these whales are certainly peculiar.
Well, they have the largest fins in the world.
And lots of knobs and bumps.
They're hair follicles, would you believe?
Very peculiar.
Their colour and the shape of their tails make it possible to identify them individually.
Well then, let's give this little guy and his mum each a name.
What did you have in mind?
How about Ep and Edda?
Ed, why not Mike and May?
May and Mike, it's got a nice ring to it. I think it's time I take a dip.
Are you sure you're not scared of this great deep blue ocean?
I laugh in the face of danger.
Okay, Ed, go swimming, but stay close.
I didn't think it would be this cold.
Come on, Mr. Mission Man, you can do it.
I'm losing feeling in my fingers now. I think I'm turning into an alien popsicle. My toes!
What am I going to do with you, Ed?
I'm going to take some photos. Brilliant! Oops, I think she spotted us. I'm heading back, Eppa.
Magnificent creatures. Whoa!
My eyes are still rolling. Hey, here comes Mike.
Brace yourself! Whoa!
This is so much fun. They're very fast.
On account of their fins, boisterous too.
No kidding.
You should see them breach.
Breach?
Leap out of the water and crash back in. Quite a sight.
Where have they gone? It's like they disappeared into thin air. Can you see them, Eppa?
Over there. Well, Ed, enough whale watching for today, I think.
Bye-bye, Mike and May.
Ready for the next adventure?
Just point us in the right direction.
Click on the videos above to see more amazing animals. And be sure to subscribe.